Hello, brother.
Okay, can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Hello, Ali. Huh? Ibel. Hello, brother. What did you say?
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. If you check, this is the one kind of work. Let me open. Okay, so this is the one kind of gold potential zone map. Okay, for this area. Okay.
Mm.
So how do we find out the gold, mainly gold potential? So we find out this type of place have the gold potential map. As well as
What, the
if you,
yellow is the gold potential?
yeah, it's a gold potential zone. As well as
Yeah.
if you check, suppose density.
Yeah, I'm looking for density.
So it's the gold potential zone density. So here is the high density,
Yeah.
here is the low density we can get from here, from this map. As well as
Yeah.
if you check, suppose this map you want to open on the Google Earth Pro, just open the Google Earth Pro density map. So you can easily visit using the Google Earth Pro and check. Just
Mm.
let me open it.
Yeah, what country was that? What country was that? Australia.
No, it's mainly work for, okay, let me show you that. Okay, you can get the idea from it, just a minute. Let me open here. Yes, so you can say find out this type of place.
Yeah. That's Landsat. That Landsat 8.
So basically this analysis we done using by ASTER imagery.
Yeah, Astro, yeah.
ASTER. So you can see now
Yeah.
we can easily open this map on the Google Earth Pro software. Further, we can easily visit is all of area. We can easily take about, you can see this is place is the high. We can easily
Yeah.
get this type of area, easily identify. Okay. So basically you got the total three product. Okay, when you make the analysis, first is for potential
Mm.
map, second is for density map, and third is for your Google Earth Pro version. Not only for that, if you check, we already done a lot of work for this type of mineral exploration. So if you check, so this is the one kind of map to identify this type of mineral. So this is the another. Okay, it's a potential zone. Okay, so this is the
It's not
another.
clear. It's not that clear.
Yeah. So you can
What's
see
this?
this. This
Is
is
this
the another.
Prisma?
Yeah. So it's a gold, cassiterite, lithium, and tourmaline. So this is the potential gold density map. So this type of place we find out mineral potential zone site Q. So a lot of places we try to identify or create the different types of satellite analysis and identify for the gold potential.
Yeah.
And it's different types of mine area in Nigeria, in Africa continent.
Yeah. Brother, listen, brother, can you do something called ArcGIS Pro?
So we are just using the Google Earth Engine and ArcGIS Pro, both software, Google Earth Engine and ArcGIS Pro.
Yeah, no, but that one's 3D. That one gives you a 3D model.
Yeah.
Do you think you could do it? So that one. Do you have it?
Yeah. So you can see this
You have
type.
ArcGIS Pro.
Yeah. ArcGIS Pro or ArcGIS is okay, no problem. We can easily do it.
So you can get in a 3D model.
Yes.
All right. Yo, my brother. So wait, where's this? Like, is this Australia? Where's that?
No, it's not the Australia. It's in Africa. In Africa, mainly Nigeria and
Yeah,
Zambia. There are different types of place, mainly site for the gold mining.
yeah.
And I am the lead
Do you do?
consultant in Nigeria and Africa for geospatial analysis for satellite and remote sensing for the gold mining or mineral exploration mining.
Mm,
Just we provide the analysis further. Also check for go to the field visit and then also take the sample and make the identify which place is the more suitable or which place is the more uh, potential or high potential for this different types of mineral.
yeah. In this picture, wait. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I get it, but you have to understand. Yeah, in Sudan, it is 100% different. Do you understand? Like, it's nowhere near the stuff you've been showing me. It's not as scattered. It's more easier to find.
The small area is also more better, no problem. We can easily identify for the small area.
But
Okay, it's
but
work
what I'm
very
trying
well.
to find is I'm trying to find high potential, like no, like high quantities.
Yeah,
Do you understand?
yeah,
In
yeah.
one placement. Like here, it's all scattered. The iron oxides in this picture, it's all scattered. But I
Yeah,
can send you pictures of maps that sort of look like this, and it's all in one area.
yeah, yeah. So this type of red
Do
color
you do
indicating
lidar?
about that high potential zone of iron oxide. This type of red color you can see. Red is very high. Okay. This type of red color indicating about the very, very high potential zone of ferric iron oxide distribution. This type of place. Red color.
Yeah,
So this is the you can see okay, this is the mineral potential thing is the Katsina mine area. So it's one kind of mine area in the Africa or Nigeria, Katsina. So this is the we can identify the gold, copper, tin, nickel
yeah.
or nickel oxide.
Mm,
You can see this is the gold potential zone in mine area.
yeah. What's the colors? Go back. What's that? Yeah. What's the colors here? What's the blue?
Below it's
Low.
yeah, so it also potential but low density. It's a low density of the gold, this type of place. They're not
Yeah,
high. But you can see this type of color
yeah,
indicating about the high, then red is also high, okay. And very, very low is that blue.
yeah.
Blue is the very, very low density of the gold
Mm,
identify.
yeah,
So same like as if you check this is another. So here you can see this type of red color indicating about the high density. This type of place is the high density of the gold. And this type of place is the low
yeah,
density of the gold. This type of color indicating about that. It gradually increased. Okay, so further we
yeah.
simply go to the field sampling and take the sample from this type of places and take the decision for
Mm,
gold mining or others exploration.
yeah.
And this type of map we can easily open on the Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro, we can open this type of map.
Yeah, I know. I just don't have a laptop
Yeah.
here with me now. You understand? I'm in the desert.
Because this is another.
I'm
It's a
currently in I'm currently in the desert, brother. Do you understand? So I don't currently have a laptop, honestly.
so this is the
Minerals potential.
potential gold potential zone in Kano, be not mine area. So you can see it's classified the gold, tin, lead, zinc, uranium, tantalite, and cumberlite. This type of mineral, we
Yeah.
find out the potential zone, this type of mineral. And we find out this type of color, we find out the high potential zone of gold, this type of color indicating about the tin, this type of color indicating about that lead zinc. It's a uranium, this type of color indicating about the uranium potential zone. It's a tantalum and it's a columbite.
Yeah.
So we already provide a lot of work for this type of gold potential zone and identified within this area. Problem.
Mm. Wait, go back. Where's that? Yeah, that is that. Okay. Listen to be like there's iron oxides on
Yeah.
the left as well.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So is that you just doing like a faint drawing, or like is this because there's I can see iron oxides on the left hand side. Was that Gossens? I wanted to ask you, do you do lidar map?
Yeah, it's a satellite imagery. We use the ASTER imagery and make this
No,
type of analysis. Okay.
yeah, I know, brother. But do you do lidar mapping?
LiDAR means
Yeah, lidar, laser, light detection and ranging maps.
or LiDAR.
So you
LiDAR,
see
LiDAR.
yeah, so the trees, like you know what's under the floor, old mining places,
Yeah, yeah,
stuff like that.
yeah.
Have you got it? Hmm. I was just I was just curious. Like you said to me, you charge for this, right? How much is it
So we provide the $200 for this
for this? What
three product, mainly potential
free
zone
products,
and also density and also Google Earth Pro. Three product.
brother? I don't have Google Earth Pro, and what I need, listen, brother. What I need is depth as well. The depth is important to me as well.
The depth is very hard because satellite mainly
That's
work for
that's
that.
why I'm telling you, you need a lidar. That's why I'm
Yeah, yeah,
telling you,
yeah,
need
yeah.
lidar.
For that we need the LiDAR data. Okay, when you work with the depth, we need the LiDAR. LiDAR is
You don't
when
have it.
we use the LiDAR, then we can easily identify the for the depth.
You have it.
So no, I have don't have the LiDAR data. So that's why we
Uh,
simply and all place LiDAR data is not available. Okay, all place is not, it's not globally available for the LiDAR data. So it's a one kind of problem. So that's why we are just use only for the free source imagery, mainly ASTER imagery we are use and then identify for potential zone and surface density. Surface density, not go to the depth of surface, only for the surface density we identify.
yeah.
Yeah, because LiDAR is not available for the all region. It's one kind of limitation. Okay,
What did you say? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
LiDAR is not available for the whole world. Okay, globally, it's not available freely. Freely, it's not available for the LiDAR.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why I use the free source imagery, ASTER, and we can create this type of density map. Okay, for the gold or also identify gold potential zone, and then further we try to explore. Hmm?
Nitrogen. What's that? What's that? Do you do petrol as well?
Which one?
Like petrol as in the crude oil?
Yeah, yeah. It's mainly a carbohydrate we can also identify it.
Yeah.
Yeah? Carbohydrate is also possible.
Alright, my boy.
Yeah, mineral in
Yeah.
this
Do you
CL
send this
zone.
as well? Yeah. Clay.
Clay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You send that as well. Like I need like where iron rich rocks or black sand are concentrated, and that's usually where the red is. See where the red is? Calcite. Okay. No gold, no gold. Very high. Where's this?
This is the gold potential zone for our on site. Okay, so we identify, you can see some players have the gold. Yes, this type of color indicating about that, and this type of players is that no gold, no gold, no gold. It's high, it's very high. So basically these two color indicating about that gold potential zone in this map.
Yeah, but what? Listen, brother. Listen, my brother. What I'm trying to make you understand is, yeah, what you're saying to me. I understand everything you're saying to me. Do you understand what I'm saying? But the depth, you know, the depth. Do you understand? Like it could be showing the pink, yeah, it's got gold in it. But I might have to go down a kilometer. Do you understand what I'm saying?
So you need the depth. Yeah.
I need depth. Yeah, depth is important, brother.
Yeah, depth is important, but for the depth we have some limitation because light data is not available, as well as also depth data or elevation data it's available, but it's not more accurate.
Mm,
Yeah, so that's why it creates some problem for the depth.
mm. Yeah, because and another thing, like the the surface area, like that I'm trying to get mapped out is very big. Do you understand?
Yeah, yeah,
It's gonna probably be like 200 kilometers squared. Do you understand? Something like that.
yeah, yeah.
And I need like ones where it's like focused on certain areas. Do you understand? With higher concentrations and more up above to the surface because it's expensive. Do you understand? I'm not a big company. I don't have 3, 4 excavators. Understand? And I dig, nah, bro. Do you understand?
I understand,
So
but
it's like
depth is
I
not
need,
possible, but we can also identify only for that surface. Okay, which place have the more potential. Okay, so then we simply dig and then identify.
yeah,
Okay, because surface depth is very difficult to identify.
yeah. That's what I need, to be honest. That's what I need, bro. I need the depth. All of this, like everything you're showing me, like I know all the areas there are gold in. Do you understand? I've done my own research.
Yeah, yeah.
I need a 3D mapping of what's under the ground exactly,
Yes,
how it's structured, how it's layered.
3D mapping we can also create. Okay, no problem for that. For 3D, but for the 3D we have just use the DEM data, elevation data.
What do you mean?
Only it's elevation.
Innovation data.
If you check, suppose let me show you that one map. Where is it?
Alright.
Just right for the DEM.